Okay, we're going to test something out and you're going to learn it with me. All right. So I previously created in JeopardyLabs.com, I created this integumentary system Jeopardy game. Well, to be fair, I edited it a little bit. It had already been created. Okay. And then what I did is I posted it in Schoology as a page. Okay. And it looks like this. So students can self-practice. We don't have the option to do the score. Okay. However, if students click this link at the bottom, all right, they will get this menu, which is what we were just looking at, and they could start the game with teams or start it on their own and keep score. Okay. But I heard about a site where you can potentially embed that a little bit better in Schoology. So we're going to try it. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to go to this site, which is the one that I heard about, iframe-generator. And I'm going to post this here. And I'm going to generate. Okay. Now here is this code it generated for me. So I'm going to go in here and add materials. And just like I did before, I'm going to add a page. And just so you know we're doing this, this is Jeopardy practice iframe, just so I know which one was which. Okay. And again, I'm going to click over here on the switch to HTML. I'm going to copy that new code, and then I'm going to click create. All right, so let's see if there's any difference. Here is Jeopardy practice. This is the original one where students click on this and then they can go back and forth. It keeps track of what they've done, but there's no option to keep score. So let's go now to the one I just created, which is the iframe, using that code, and voila, we can click right from here, start, one team, click start, and now students can do the same thing as before, but they can actually keep score and try to beat themselves. So this iframe generator win as far as embedding this in Schoology.